In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, knowing how to edit text effectively is an essential skill that can really elevate your designs. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can easily make changes to your text elements to perfectly fit your design needs. First, the foundation of editing text in Canva is selecting the text you want to modify. Open your Canva project and simply click on the text box that contains the text you'd like to edit. This simple click opens up a world of customization options. With your text highlighted, you'll notice a toolbar appear above your design. This is your creative toolbox. From here, you can make all sorts of adjustments to transform your text exactly the way you want. Let's start with fonts. The font you choose plays a huge role in setting the tone and mood of your design. Once your text is selected, look at the toolbar to find the current font name. Click on it to open a menu filled with a wide variety of fonts. Canva offers everything from bold, modern styles to elegant handwritten ones. Take your time to browse through the options and pick the one that best matches your project's vibe. After choosing your font, it's time to adjust the font size. This ensures that your text remains readable and balanced with other design elements. You can manually type in a size or use the small plus and minus buttons to fine-tune it until it looks perfect. Next, let's add some color to your text. Click on the text color option in the toolbar to open the color palette. You can pick from preset colors, explore gradients, or enter a custom hex code if you're working with specific brand colors. Choosing the right color helps your text blend harmoniously with the overall design while making it visually appealing. Don't forget to experiment with other styling features such as bold, italic, underline, letter spacing, and line height. These details can help give your text personality and enhance its impact. If you ever make a mistake, Canva's undo button has your back, allowing you to revert any unwanted changes instantly. And that's it. You've now learned how to effectively edit text in Canva. With just a few clicks, you can adjust fonts, tweak sizes, play with colors, and make your design stand out effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.